How to get clients at Fiverr. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Earning Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to get clients at Fiverr. Getting clients at Fiverr is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. To get clients on Fiverr, follow this strategy. Optimize your gig titles and description. Use keyword. Include relevant keyword and potential client are likely to search for. Be clear and specific. Clearly explain what you offer, the benefits and what sets you apart. Include the strong call to action. Encourage client to contact you or place an order. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Design high-quality image. Use attractive visual that represent your service well. Add text. Highlight key features of your service within the image. Set competitive pricing. Start with the lower prices. Offer competitive pricing when you are new to building reviews and reputation. Promote your gigs. Social media marketing. Share your gigs on social media platform. Deliver excellent service. Over-deliver. Provide more value than expected to impress client. Communicate effectively. Be responsive and clear in your communication. These are the strategies that will help you get clients. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.